Saturday, March 18th. And I was going to do a couple of things. I took one of our samples from the customer showcase and I pulled a Cumulus yarn, and I think it would work out really well for it. So this is the In Threes. It's In Threes. Darling comes in several sizes, and it's so simple. It's top down. There's nothing to do. You bind off here and then you finish. There's no weaving in. There's nothing to do. It is perfectly fun. I've knit it several times for Vivian. So this is the In Threes, and I love it. So, and the pattern is free, I believe. So I think the Cumulus yarn, this cotton, would be absolutely darling. And I think it would take 2, possibly 3. This Cumulus is 28 a piece. It is a hand wash and lay flat to dry, but I think the colors are so cute. So this, it's a self-striper, so this would be really, really cute. This is the Juniper Moon Cumulus, and it is worsted weight, or light worsted, and the pattern calls for 5 stitches to the inch, and this can get 5 stitches to the inch. So there's this color, there's this beautiful gray and multi-gray. Then we've got pinks and purples. My sign's upside down. Showed you these the other day. These blues, a little bit of green and some toast color. And then this one, pastels, upside down. Would be so cute. So I think those would be just darling in this. And all you do is start up here and knit down, and it does it all by itself. All that self-striping makes it perfect. So that's my little suggestion for today. So drum roll. Oh, wait a minute. I'll be right back. I forgot to get the bucket of raffle tickets for the Lucky Shamrock over $100 basket, which, to remind you, is this, right? Has over $100 worth of all kinds of goodies in it. So today is the drawing, and drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. So anybody who entered something in the showcase, who wore green yesterday, who bought a shamrock earring kit, or wore green today, is entered into this drawing. And here is the winner. The winner is Ladean. Ladean, you are the winner for all this beautiful yarn. So congratulations. We will give you a call. Good news. All right, tomorrow is Sunday. Prayerful, peaceful, restful. I didn't get my corned beef and cabbage made last night, so I'm on my way to go do that tonight. I'm going to do it in the Instapot, so hopefully it won't take too long. So anyway, I'm looking forward to it. It'll be fun. I did wear a little bit of green today because I told everybody else they needed to. Had a good dinner last night, by the way. Thank you very much. It was a nice dinner. Rainy drive home, but it was a nice dinner. So, all right, have a beautiful day tomorrow. I will see you on Monday with some new ideas and hopefully some new products. You never know what's going to happen at Bella Filati. All right, I'll see you on Monday.